Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to back up your WordPress website using the Updraft Plus plugin. This is the ultimate safety net for your site, and the steps are incredibly simple. First, after you've installed and activated Updraft Plus, head to your dashboard, click on Settings, and then select Updraft Plus Backups. You'll see a large blue Backup Now button. Click that to get started. A pop-up will appear with 4 options. You can choose to include your database, your files, or both. For a full safety net, I recommend checking both. If you have cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox connected, you'll also see an option to send the backup there automatically. Once you've made your picks, hit Backup Now again. Once the process finishes, your new backup will appear in the existing backups table at the bottom of the page. From here, the options relate perfectly to your needs. You can download specific parts like your themes or plugins to your computer, restore your site to this exact moment if something breaks, or delete old backups to save space. You can even view the log to see exactly what happened during the process. That's all there is to it. If this quick guide gave you some peace of mind, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech troubleshooting. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to automate these backups to run every day, and I'll see you in the next video.